ka24de. After the training's been disassembled and is now sitting on the ground.
Comes the motor.
Here comes the motor.
Oh, hold on, we still got some shit attached here. Here we go.
Disattached. And it's coming out. Look at that flywheel and that clutch. Yeah. Nice and smooth.
This is coming out like
Nice. And smooth, huh? There, you got a little peek of the clutch. Mind you, this motor is still hot. We drove it over here less than an hour and a half ago. Oh yeah. Anyways, there it is. She's out.
Fucking A.
She's out.
Fucking A. Fucking A.
She's out. Mac's happy.
Wow, dude. Stoked.
He's happy. And yeah, whatever. So, here is the new 240 motor we're putting in. Little ka24de. Gonna be a turbo sitting right there eventually. Well, anyways, enough about that one. Back to the Datsun.
Oh, we gotta put that down first before I can even.
Yep, good old Datsun. No power steering, nothing. Oh yeah, there's the drive line we had to take out as well.
Let's put it on the other side where that chair is. Yeah.
Well, I think there's a nice fat hole where the new engine's gonna sit. Definitely needs some new sway bars and shit. Bushings.
Super stoked.
Alright, get over here and put it there.
Alright.
You fucking control this and I'll make sure the motor doesn't spin too much.
The motor is going bye-bye. What's up, bitch? And that got away. Good old Napa filter. There. We got like 4 motors sitting in this garage now, huh? We got yonder, and then pieced together the big and mighty STI motor. And here comes the motor.
Let's go get some of that wood and set it in between the 2 blocks.
There you go. And my video is completed at this point in time. Thank you for joining the Orange camcorder. Well, whatever. Radiator's gone. He's gonna stick with the stock one, just to make it look old school. I want to see the displacement on the 1.6 liter motor that used to be in here, not the one we just took out. That is actually a 2 liter motor.
Put it underneath both sides of the motor mount.
Yeah, see the rest.
So I'm lifting the car. Why am I lifting the car?
You got a yank on it.
You see that?
Yeah, I saw it.
Maybe the suspension's coming up with it. No. Pretty sure you have to coax it off of the motor mounts.
Yeah.
Oh, hold on. Damn it, I lost it there.
Yeah.
Alright, hold that tight. Kind of shake the motor around as I'm coming up with it.
Here, I'll do. Where's my gloves?
There you go.
Why does it not want to come off? It feels like there's something. Oh, hold on. No, that should still come off there.
What?
Like your motor mounts aren't releasing.
The holes, man.
Motor mounts. Causing
Flathead. Big horn. Here we go.
Oh, that's loose.
There we go. Now it's loose.
There you go.
Oh, we're lifting the. We gotta slide the tranny back first. We gotta undo that shit. It ain't gonna come. Because you can't get it off the mounts with the tranny.
And we'll be back here in a few minutes because we're half retarded.
Fuck.
Cool.
There was one on Craigslist.
You can beat up like it's too.
This car's gonna have some value. I'm super excited, dude. This is sick.
Miles Macintosh. We won't name him.
Jew.
But look at the beauty behind her. Him. I mean, she likes to be referred to as the him.
Fuck you.
All right.